Stress over the coronavirus has led to an increase in calls to mental health hotlines. Let's connect the dots. The pandemic has many concerned not only about their own health, but the well-being of loved ones. A survey of people in LA County, California found nearly half dealing with anxiety or depression. Calls to the county's mental health hotline were up 20% in March compared to the same time the year before. The National Disaster Distress Helpline saw an even bigger spike in calls in March, with 3 times the amount of calls over the previous year. Georgia has a COVID-19 emotional support line offering support and information from volunteers that include mental health professionals. The CDC and others are providing recommendations to improve mental health. Among the recommendations are to take a break from news coverage of the pandemic and to stay in touch with family and friends.